What is a conservation scientist's job like? Imagine spending your days in the wild, working to protect animals and their homes, or analyzing data in a cozy office. That's what a conservation scientist does. They focus on keeping ecosystems healthy and balancing human needs with nature's needs. Their work helps ensure land, water, and wildlife resources are used wisely and sustainably. Conservation scientists are key players in wildlife and conservation careers, especially in conservation and fieldwork. Most of their time is split between three main areas. First, they work outside in the field. This involves collecting samples from water, soil, and plants. They monitor animal populations by trapping, banding, or attaching tracking devices to animals. They also survey habitats, identify plant species, and check for invasive species that threaten native plants and animals. Fieldwork can be physically demanding, often in remote locations, sometimes at night or in bad weather. Second, they spend time in laboratories or offices. Here, they analyze data collected in the field. They use spreadsheets and computer programs to organize information. They create maps and charts to show how species are doing or how ecosystems are changing. They also write reports to share their findings with colleagues, government agencies, or the public. This helps guide decisions on conservation efforts and policies. Third, conservation scientists are involved in planning and community outreach. They help develop projects to restore damaged habitats or improve land use practices. They work with farmers, landowners, and government agencies to create sustainable plans. They also educate the public about wildlife and conservation issues. This might include giving talks, writing articles, or working with schools. To become a conservation scientist, most start with a bachelor's degree in zoology, wildlife biology, or environmental science. Entry-level jobs involve collecting data, making observations, and helping with reports. As they gain experience, they take on more complex projects, analyze data more deeply, and help plan large-scale conservation efforts. Senior scientists develop new policies, manage teams, and work with stakeholders to secure funding. They work for government agencies like the Department of the Interior or state wildlife departments, conservation organizations, research institutes, or private consulting firms. Their work environment combines outdoor fieldwork with indoor analysis. Fieldwork can be in forests, wetlands, or grasslands, and sometimes involves travel to remote locations. Office work requires good writing skills and familiarity with data tools. For those who love animals and the outdoors, a career as a conservation scientist offers the chance to make a real difference. It blends scientific work with hands-on action to protect wildlife and their habitats. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities to help the natural world thrive.